tariff is around 4.88% to 5 rupees, 5 point some percentage, 5.9.
So around 1.50 will be.
No, it is percentage, 5%. On the average, you can see 5% increase.
But sir, there is an increase in fixed charges, which is quite big. That is going to increase the cross.
You know, that is domestic wise, if you see, it is hardly some paise. It is 5% only. You see, we are very fortunate.
That is
to have-
tariff.
Yeah, tariff.
Fixed charges.
Yeah, we put together. Fixed cost and energy charge put together, what we say is around 5%. Right now, for the first year, it is 4.88%.
तो category redefine
Oh, there is the mandate which came from regulatory. The regulations have changed, and now the categories are in, like in terms of LDDS1, LDDS2, HTDS1, HTDS2. पहिले कसे असताना domestic, commercial, industrial, temporary, agriculture, allied, agriculture pumps, then military energy services, डिफेन्स इस्टाब्लिशमेंट अराउंड असे 20 कॅटेगरी असतात. आता त्यो शॉर्ट फॉर्म केला सो मातशें एक वरस फुडें कन्ज्युमराक त्रास जाल्ले अंडरस्टँड जावपा वीच इज अ कॅटेगरी. बट देन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट इज हियर टू क्लॅरिफाय एंड गिव द प्रॉपर अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑफ द कॅटेगरी.